Eggs, friend or foe for a long life? Are they the golden ticket to longevity or a cholesterol-laden nemesis? Let's crack this open. We've all heard of the longevity diet, haven't we? It's all about promoting a long, healthy lifespan through a balanced diet. It's predominantly plant-based, with a spot of lean protein, a splash of healthy fats, and a moderate serving of calories. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets a little scrambled. Enter eggs. Stage right. These little protein powerhouses are a source of much debate in the food world. Why, you ask? One word: cholesterol. Yes, those little yolks are packed with it. And that's where the existential crisis begins. Are these yellow-centered wonders a boon or a bane for our longevity? So are eggs the villains they're made out to be? Or can they be part of your longevity diet? Stick around to find out. Before we scramble into the egg debate, let's talk about the longevity diet. What's it all about? Well, it's a way of eating that focuses on promoting a long and healthy lifespan. The core principles are simple enough. It's largely about plant-based foods. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Additionally, lean proteins such as fish and poultry are encouraged. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are also part of the mix. And let's not forget the importance of moderate calorie intake. The longevity diet isn't about starving yourself, but rather eating just enough. Potential benefits? Well, they range from reducing the risk of chronic diseases to potentially extending your lifespan. It's all about balance, variety, and moderation. But where do eggs fit in all this? Let's see. If you're finding our content useful and engaging, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and diet insights. Eggs. They've been on the naughty list for years due to their high cholesterol content. But is this bad reputation deserved? It's time to crack open the truth about eggs and cholesterol. For decades, eggs have been painted as cholesterol-laden villains, accused of raising our blood cholesterol levels and driving us toward heart disease. But is it really that simple? Well, let's see. First off, it's important to distinguish between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol. Dietary cholesterol is what we consume through our food, like the cholesterol found in eggs. Blood cholesterol, on the other hand, is produced by our bodies and circulates in our bloodstream. Now here's where things get interesting. You see, it was once believed that consuming high cholesterol foods like eggs would shoot up our blood cholesterol levels. But the human body is a complex system, isn't it? It turns out our bodies are pretty good at maintaining balance. When we eat more cholesterol, our bodies often compensate by producing less. So, what about the eggs? Well, recent research suggests that for most healthy individuals, the cholesterol in eggs might have less of an impact on blood cholesterol than we once thought. In fact, numerous studies have shown that eating up to 7 eggs per week doesn't increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. But wait, there's a plot twist. Some people, known as hyperresponders, may experience a rise in blood cholesterol after eating cholesterol-rich foods. However, even in these cases, it's often the good HDL cholesterol that increases, not the bad LDL. So it seems the cholesterol conundrum isn't as straightforward as we thought. The relationship between eggs, dietary cholesterol, and our health is complex and influenced by various factors, including our unique genetic makeup and overall dietary patterns. So the cholesterol in eggs might not be as bad as we thought, but what about the other stuff in eggs? Let's find out. Eggs are more than just cholesterol. They're packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. But are they nutritional heroes or villains? Let's crack this egg of a question wide open. First, let's talk about what's good. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Each egg is a protein-packed parcel, with about 6 grams of protein per egg. That's around the same amount of protein as an ounce of meat, but without the hefty price tag. Plus, the protein in eggs is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't make on their own, and it doesn't stop there. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of vitamin B12, which helps keep our nerve and blood cells healthy. And let's not forget about choline, a nutrient crucial for brain health that's often overlooked. You'll find it in abundance in eggs. But wait, there's more. Eggs are also packed with eye-protecting antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are incredibly important for eye health, helping to ward off age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Now let's flip the egg over and look at the other side. One potential drawback of eggs is their saturated fat content. Each egg yolk contains about 1.5 grams of saturated fat. While this isn't a huge amount, it can add up if you're eating multiple eggs a day. Another concern for some people is allergies. Eggs are one of the most common food allergens, especially among children. So if you're allergic to eggs, they're definitely not a nutritional hero for you. Eggs are a mixed bag indeed. But can they fit into a longevity diet? Let's explore. Let's keep in mind, diet is not about individual foods in isolation, but about the overall pattern of what we eat. It's about balance. And in that balance, there might just be a place for eggs. But more on that in the next chapter. Until then, keep your sunny side up. So, we've seen that eggs have their pros and cons. But can they be part of a longevity diet? That's the million-dollar question. Now, if we look at the longevity diet, it's all about balance. It's about a pattern of eating, rather than focusing on individual foods. And in this pattern, eggs can certainly find a place. But remember, moderation is key. While eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, you don't want to be gobbling up half a dozen in a day. How you cook your eggs also plays a crucial role. We're not talking about deep-fried or scrambled eggs loaded with butter or cheese. Poached or hard-boiled eggs are a healthier choice. You get all the goodness without the added fats. Baking is another great option. Ever tried a frittata with lots of colorful veggies? It's a treat for the eyes and the palate. Now, let's talk pairings. Eggs shouldn't be the sole star of your plate. Pair them with whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables. An omelet with spinach and tomatoes, an egg sandwich with avocado and whole grain bread, or a poached egg atop a quinoa salad. Sounds delicious, right? And let's not forget about portion size. 1 egg a day is generally considered safe for most people. But if you have specific health concerns like diabetes or heart disease, you might need to limit your intake. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Remember, eggs are just one piece of the longevity diet puzzle. They can provide essential nutrients, but they won't do all the heavy lifting. A diverse diet rich in plant-based foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats is what's going to keep you ticking for years to come. And finally, don't forget to enjoy your food. A longevity diet isn't just about living longer, it's about living well. And that includes savoring every bite. So it seems eggs aren't the villains they're made out to be. But let's wrap this up. So what's the verdict? Are eggs a friend or foe in our quest for longevity? Let's recap, shall we? We've explored the longevity diet, a dietary approach focused on promoting a long and healthy lifespan. This diet emphasizes plant-based foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and a moderate intake of calories. It's about creating a dietary pattern that nourishes your body for an extended, vigorous life. Then there's the egg, a humble food that's been the subject of much debate. Eggs were once vilified for their cholesterol content, but our understanding of cholesterol has evolved over time. We've learned that dietary cholesterol, the kind found in our food, doesn't necessarily translate into high blood cholesterol, especially for healthy individuals. Now, that's not a green light to start an all-egg diet. Moderation is key here. Remember, eggs are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need. Plus, they're filling, which can help keep our calorie intake in check. But like anything, they have their drawbacks. They're also a source of saturated fat, and for some, can trigger allergies. So where do eggs fit in a longevity diet? Well, they can indeed have a place at the table. It's all about balance and how you cook them. Boiling, poaching, baking, these are your friends. Pair your eggs with other healthy staples and you've got yourself a longevity-friendly meal. So, to answer our original question, eggs can be part of a longevity diet when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. But remember, everyone is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. So, there you have it, folks. Eggs, not quite the villains, not quite the heroes, they're somewhere in between. But remember, when it comes to diet, one size doesn't fit all. Consult your healthcare professional to tailor a diet plan that suits your needs. Until next time, stay exceptional. And remember, if you found this informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more insights and tips to share. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications on our latest videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. So go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.